In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover iCloud data. This process will take about 5 minutes and it's really straightforward. Whether you've accidentally deleted something or just need to retrieve some vital information, I'll guide you through the steps you need to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to head over to iCloud.com. This is Apple's cloud storage and computing service, which safely stores your photos, files, and other essential information, allowing you to access them from any device. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection to avoid interruptions during this process. Once you're on the iCloud website, the next thing you need to do is sign in with your Apple ID if you're prompted. Your Apple ID is basically your gateway to all your Apple services, and it's likely the same ID you use for other Apple products. Make sure you have your Apple ID and password ready. If you have set up two-factor authentication, you might also need access to your trusted device to receive a verification code. After you're logged in, you'll see a variety of apps and icons. Look for data recovery. Once you find it, click on it. This section of iCloud is dedicated to helping you retrieve information that may have been lost or accidentally deleted. It's a helpful tool that can make a big difference if you're trying to recover crucial data. Now, the step that brings it all home, you'll need to select the specific data you want to recover. iCloud offers the option to restore several types of data, including files, contacts, bookmarks, and calendar entries. Take your time to look through the available options and choose what you need. Once you've made your selection, proceed with the recovery. This is usually a smooth process, but be patient as it might take a little while depending on the size of the data and your internet speed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently recover your iCloud data. Remember, safeguarding your data with regular backups can preempt many problems, but knowing how to recover lost data is an invaluable skill. It's always reassuring to have the ability to restore lost or deleted information with ease. So in just a few minutes you've learned how to utilize iCloud's recovery feature and ensure your data stays within reach. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more tech questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out our other guides or reach out for support.